cabinets are officially getting installed. Let's go take a peek. I'm so excited to see this color because the entire room is going to be color drenched in this, and it's going to be all lowers. Then we're going to put a big piece of art in the center. We just have these beautiful clear doors that lead into his office. Here is the basement kitchenette. I'm really excited about this one because I have a really fun idea for right here. This color doesn't show well on camera, but it's like a midnight navy kind of color. And then we're going to have some reeded glass detail inside of these. I'm obsessed with this mantle detail. Stunning. And of course in the kitchen, we have a rift cut white oak inset cabinet. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait for the hardware to go on.